To connect Apple Pay to Uber, start by opening the Uber app on your iPhone. If you do not have the Uber app, download and install it from the App Store. Once the app is open, tap on the menu icon, which is represented by 3 horizontal lines. From the menu, select the Payments option. This will take you to the Payments screen, where you can view and manage your payment methods. To add a new payment method, tap on the Add Payment Method button. On the Add Payment Method screen, you will see various payment options, including credit cards, debit cards, and other services like Apple Pay. Select Apple Pay from the list of available options. You will then be prompted to select the card you want to use with Apple Pay. If you have already set up Apple Pay on your iPhone, you will see a list of cards that are already linked to your Apple Pay account. Choose the card you want to use with Uber. If you have not set up Apple Pay before, you will need to add a card to your Apple Pay account. To do this, go to the Wallet app on your iPhone, tap on the plus sign, and follow the prompts to add a new card. Once you have added a card, go back to the Uber app and select Apple Pay as your payment method. After selecting your card, you will be asked to confirm the card details and agree to the terms and conditions. Once you have confirmed the details, your Apple Pay account will be linked to your Uber account. To verify that Apple Pay has been successfully linked to your Uber account, go back to the Payments screen and look for Apple Pay in the list of payment methods. If you see Apple Pay listed, it means that you have successfully connected Apple Pay to your Uber account. You can now use Apple Pay to pay for your Uber rides. When you request a ride, select Apple Pay as your payment method, and the fare will be charged to the card linked to your Apple Pay account. Using Apple Pay with Uber provides a convenient and secure way to pay for your rides, and it eliminates the need to carry cash or physically swipe a card.